Hmm? Abu Bakr, we did the lesson in online class or the physical class?
We finished the lesson. Now we have
Sorry?
study for
I can't hear you properly. We did the lesson in physical class or the online class?
Physical class.
Physical class. Circle lesson didn't do it in online class, right? Correct no? Yes or no? Right, okay, fine. So here we'll see the circle lessons what we have to study it. Okay. So the first you should know the parts of the circle. These are the parts of the circle that you have to study it. From first, center, right? Center mean what? Circumference, radius, diameter, chord. So if you studied in online the physical class, just what is the revise it whether you have this knowledge in your mind or not. Again, center, circumference, radius, diameter, chord, arc. Two arcs are there: minor arc, major arc. Then diameter we said, segment, minor segment, major segment, then sectors, minor sector, major sector, and central angle. These are the parts that you have to study in circle lesson. Okay, fine. First, you see here, right? The circle lesson. First, you have to know how to draw a circle with using the compass, right? How to draw a circle with using compass, right? First, what we should do it, you should take the compass and fix your pencil to the compass. And when you draw a circle, it will come like this kind of way, right? It comes like this. Then you should know where is the center. Where is the center? Where you have center, center it's there. I'll use a white color, right? The center it's there where it's in. When you keep your compass, there are 2 points. One is compass point, other one is pencil point. One is compass point, other one is pencil point. Where you keep your compass point, here you keep your compass point. In this place you have what? Center. Where you keep your compass point, that is your center. Then where you keep your pencil, right? One, when we draw this one, while we draw this, you know that part it goes around this, right? Kind of it goes, right? Where it goes, right? This line, where the pencil is moved, that curved line we call it what? Circumference. What is that? Circumference. Again, where we kept the compass point, we call it what? Center. What is that? Tell. Center. And the pencil where it moves, where the pencil runs, this line, this path, this locus, we call it what? Circumference of the circle, if not circumference. What is this? Circumference. Now tell me, first one, it's center. I'll write it. What we call? Center. What we call
Center.
for this one? It's circumference. What is that?
Circumference.
Circumference. It's circumference. Okay, fine. Then tell me, when we use the compass, you know that one. Here, we need to take the distance between the compass point and the pencil point. What is that? In this one, you can see it's 4 and 3 millimeter, 4 centimeter and 3 millimeter. Okay, 4 centimeter and 3 millimeter. Okay, for you all the board is clear now.
Yes.
Letters and everything is okay now, fine. Is there any problem? Can you see the board?
Yes, we can see.
For everyone, same now?
Yes.
Give me a second.
Sir, you're talking.
Others? What about the others? Hmm? Others the same or different? Others for y'all same or different? He's saying it's tough.
Same.
Same. Same. I can't hear you.
No, sir, we can see.
Ah,
No,
then okay,
sir.
fine. Everyone have the same problem?
No.
No. Right. So fine. So what about this? The pencil point and the compass point. You see here, the compass point it's in 0 and the pencil point it's 4 and another 3 millimeter, 4 centimeter and 3 millimeter. Okay. So we call this distance from pencil point to the compass point, this distance we call what? We call it's what?
Radius.
Radius of the circle or the radius. What is that? Tell. Radius.
Radius.
Where to where? Where to where? Compass
Compass
point to the
point to
pencil
the
point. You know that one already. I
pencil.
said compass point where we kept it. We kept it on where? Tell.
Center.
Center.
Center. We kept it on center. And the pencil
Center.
point we kept it on where? On the
Circumference.
circumference. So that from center to the circumference, the distance we call it's what? Tell.
Radius.
We call that is radius. Is it clear?
Yes.
It's radius. Then any 2 point on the circumference. What is that? Any 2 points
Any 2
on where?
point
On the
let's say
circumference. All right. So this is the circumference. I can mark any 2 points. For example, I'll mark it this point. I'll take it up. I'll mark this point and I'll mark this point. If I mark 2 points on the circumference, while we join with a straight line, while we join with a straight line, where we have it's on where? Sir?
a chord.
Circumference. The line joining which the 2 points on the circumference, we call it what?
A chord.
A
Chord.
chord.
What's the name of that one? Chord. So I name this one as what? Tell. Chord.
Segment.
Or you can
Sorry,
pronounce as chord. Chord. Understood? Is it clear?
Yes.
Fine. Now you know the how many parts of the circle? Tell.
4.
How many parts?
4.
You know 4 parts of the circle. What are they first?
Center.
Center.
Circumference.
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 Radius.
Third, radius.
Radius. Chord.
Third, radius. Fourth.
Chord.
Chord.
Fourth, we studied its chord. Right, okay. This order, don't forget it. So even no need to use the order. But if you just can keep this in your mind, or it's easy because starting with the center, where the line it goes, we call circumference. And here, the between the compass point and the pencil point, we call radius. That means center to the circumference, radius. And moreover, 2 points on the circumference, when we join with a straight line, we call it what?
Chord.
We call it chord. Fine, good. Then, when you come to this place, what is that? I'll take the circle. I'll take the circle, right? And I call you 2 points on the circumference. If we join with a straight line, what is the name of that one?
Chord.
Tell. Chord. Very
Chord.
good. Chord. Then when I join another 2 points on the circumference, what is the name of that one? Chord.
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 Again, when I join its chord. Continuously, I can draw many chords. I can draw it. I can draw the many chords. But the thing is what? When you draw these chords, you can understand why you are drawing continuously. One time, you can get the largest chord. When you circle, you can get largest chord. Here you have a largest chord. For example, this chord. Which time it gives us the largest chord? Which time? When the chord is still Passing through where? Where?
Center.
Center. The where the chord is passing through the center, that chord we call it which chord? Largest chord of the circle, right?
The
Now don't ask the
largest chord.
question, sir. If it's a small circle, it's a small chord, it's passing through the center. When we have a big circle, we have a big. No. In a circle, the largest chord we call the diameter of that circle. In this circle, the largest chord we call that is the diameter of this circle. Can you understand? So the largest chord of the circle we call that is the diameter of that circle. What is the name? Diameter of that circle.
Diameter
So I'm
of
going to
that
draw a
circle.
largest chord. We call it for diameter. I'll use red color, right? What's the name of that one? Tell again.
Diameter.
Diameter.
So I have a
This-
question. What is the question? If I ask from you, right? Diameter is a chord. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Diameter is a chord. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no? Yes. Chord is a diameter.
No.
No.
No, chord is not a diameter. Diameter is a chord, but chord is not a diameter.
Diameter.
Chord is not a diameter, right? Diameter is a chord, but chord is not a diameter. Different one, do it. Because if not, you all are taking the wrong idea. If you want to be, just comment me this one, not like that. Right. It's a chord, red color one. It's a chord, but it's passing through the center. So we call that is the largest chord, and the name of that one is what? Tell.
Diameter.
Diameter. The name of
Diameter.
this? Diameter. I'll take it here. I'll take it here. What's the name of this one? Diameter.
Diameter.
Understood?
Yes.
Then this is my which part? The fifth one. Next, again I am asking from your question. If I have a circle, when I just cut the circumference in what is that? The two places, like this kind of the 2 points when I mark. This part we call something name. What we call for the other part. What is the name of this part? What is the name of this part? Both are same. One is bigger than other. One is smaller than the other. So we have a special name for this one. Can you tell me what's the common name for this two?
Minor arc and major.
What is
Major
the
arc
common
and
name
minor.
for this? Common name
Arc.
for this two. Both are
Arc.
arcs. Both are arcs.
Arc.
Then tell me, when we have a smaller arc, we call it what?
Minor arc.
Minor arc. When we have a bigger one, we call that part is what?
Major arc.
Major arc. What is the name of that one? Major arc. Is it clear? Can you understand? Right. What we call for
Yes.
the smaller one? Minor arc. Bigger one? Tell.
Major.
Major arc. Okay. So I'll name this one in the same diagram. Okay. Look at this. I'll use the compass and I'll take this and I'll use the green color. I'll use green color. Right. Fine. Good. I'll keep it on here, the center. Same center. I'll take the, center. I'll take the pencil to the, right here. If I drawn it from here to here, it's a small part. So we can say it's which arc? Minor arc. The green color one is what? Tell. Minor arc. What's the name of this one? Minor arc.
Minor.
And the other part, if I use the same, what is that? The distance, the compass, and the pencil is here. But if I use a different color, which color is good? This blue color, fine. From here to here, if I draw it, what is the name of this one? Bigger one.
Major arc.
Major arc. What's the name?
Major arc.
Major arc. Major arc. Is it clear? Right? Understood? Right. Next one. When we cut a part of a circle, what we call? When we cut
Half.
a part of a circle, what is that?
Semicircle.
Huh?
A
When we
semicircle.
cut a part of a circle, we call semicircle. Very nice. What do you call for that? When we cut a part of a circle, so it's depend on how we are going to be cut it. For example, when you cut the circle with like this kind of way, if I cut it, I have this piece. Am I right? This piece. What is the name
A
of this
segment.
piece? Huh?
A segment.
What's the name of this piece?
Segment.
We call it what? Segment. What is the name of that one? Segment. I
Segment.
remove it now. This part I remove it. So we call it's a segment. How the segment came? Segment mean it's bounded with what?
Diameter
It's
and
bounded
arc.
with the very good. Very good. Right? Abu Bakr. Very nice.
A chord and
Good
arc.
one. Chord and arc. Right? So even here no calculation, nothing last week, but I thought even it's not last week, day before. Yesterday, no? Yes, Saturday. Chord, physical class. This is chord and this is arc. But you can understand, here we had earlier, this is a small part of the circumference. Small part. So we call this is which arc? Minor arc. This is not a major arc, it's minor arc. So it's bounded with the minor arc and a chord. So we call this is a segment, but it's a small part. So we call this is which segment? We call this is, tell. Minor segment. What is that? Minor segment. And you know that one, the other part, if I cut this part, another part is there. Even when you check this part, it's like what? Tell. Here we have,
Major segment.
again we have a bigger part. It's bounded with the chord and arc. So it's also segment. No doubt. It's also what?
Segment.
Segment. But the thing is what? Here this part of the circle, the circumference, we call that is major. So if a part of a circle bounded, boundary lines, bounded with major arc and a chord, we call it what? Which segment? Tell me. Major segment. That means smaller segment we call minor segment, bigger segment we call major segment. Is it clear? Can you understand? Fine. Next one, I'll just apply this one in the diagram. I'll apply it in this diagram. Here, look at it. What is this? If I colored like this kind of way, help me. This part. What is the name of this part? Tell.
Segment.
Minor segment.
That is segment. How is that? It's bounded with a chord and what?
Minor segment.
And an arc.
No, I don't want minor major. Just tell what the name of this one? Segment. What's the name of this one?
Segment.
Segment. It's enough because both I'm not going to mark it, right? Segment. So one part is minor, other one is major. You should know this is segment. Segment mean what? Tell. It's bounded with
An arc
and
and a chord.
arc and what? It's bounded with arc and
Chord.
chord. So don't forget these things. Chord. If it's a minor arc, it's a minor segment. If it's a major arc, it's major segment. Is it clear? Can you understand? Yes or no? Can? Fine. Next, look at this one. I'll just make it another part. Look at this. When we draw a circle, right? When we draw a circle, and while we cut a part of a circle, if we cut a part of a circle, like this when we cut a part of a circle. Okay, so here you can see the part of a circle, it's like this, right? And it's bounded with what? Two radii
Two
and a
radii and an arc.
arc. So we call this one is what is this? It's a sector.
Sector.
What is that? It's the
Sector.
sector. But when we cut like this kind of piece of a the piece of a circle, it's bounded with two radii and an arc. Okay. Here you can see the another part is remaining. It's also bounded with an
Two
arc,
radii and arc.
two radii, arc and two radii. So we call what? It's
Major sector.
it's also sector. But the thing is what? One we have major arc, other one we have minor arc. So
Minor.
the major arc we call
Major
major sector. The smaller arc, the minor arc we have, we call
Minor
that is minor sector. Understood? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, no? Fine. So I just applied it in this one, this diagram. So look at this one. I'll use a different color. I'll use it this color. What is the name of this part? It's a part
Sector.
which is bounded with the part
Two
which is
radii.
bounded with L.
Two radii.
Two radii
radii.
and one arc.
An arc. Two radii and arc. So we call it what? Sector. What is that?
Sector.
Sector. So sector mean it's bounded with what?
Two radii and an arc.
Two radii and what?
Arc.
An arc. If it's a smaller part, smaller arc we call minor arc mean minor segment, major arc mean tell
Major segment.
major segment. Understood? Then the other one is what?
Yes.
If I have this one, I'll use it this color. Here the angle we have, it's in where? It's in the center. So call, what is that? Between the two radii, if we have an angle, between two radii, if we
Central
have angle, it's between, what is it, the two radii, but we have it's in center. So we call it what?
Central
Central angle.
Central angle. What's the name of this one?
Central.
Central angle. Central angle. Is it clear? Yes or no? Right. The parts of the circle, what you need for your grade 8 lesson. Grade 8, what is that? The grade 8 chapter lesson, circle lesson, only this much. Is it clear? Is there any question? If you want, you can take a screenshot. Nothing. Clear now? I think it's clear. You can take if you need a screenshot. Fine. Okay. So we'll move to the next part, right? Next part means now we have to do the exercises and what we have, those things we have to complete it. Fine. So, good. Right, finished? You mark?
23.1.
No, I'm asking. Finish. This one is over. No need more than that. Enough,
So
no?
we did it.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Then I'll move to the no. In class you did it, but here the online class mean another one. At least take a paper and draw it. And you draw that one another one time, it's not going to be waste. Understood? The class we are doing this one, the online again. The reason is what? To revise your knowledge. Revising mean when I'm saying those things, you have to just what? Sir, you tell you don't know, because of that you are saying we know everything we don't want. Right? So again and again I'm saying in already I can say no, I know these things, I'm not going to be till this. So I know, I'm just saying again because of y'all, right? So you have to again write. Second time write it. One time these things writing mean nothing going to be happen. It's going to be stay in your mind. You're not going to be forget it. Okay, fine, finished. Now I'll come to the exercises what you have. Now if you know these things, you see exercises you can do it easily. I'll come to the lesson number 23, 23.1 exercise. I think questions are clear. Can see now? Can you see the questions? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Then tell me what we have. First,
Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter and name its center O. Draw a diameter of this circle and name it
fine.
PQ.
Wait. Because you remember this exercise, I think I just roughly explained it, but I just asked you to do it the first at school, the class, we did this part. I'll do that one, don't worry, I'll do it. But first we did this one. Remember, in this one, right, they're given some words below the exercise, they're given some words. Look at those words, right? Look at those words. A radius, then you have what? A sector, a chord, a minor arc, a minor segment, a major segment, a diameter, a major arc, a central angle. So you can understand only they are given minor and major to whom? To segment they are given. You see, segment they are given minor and major. Look at carefully, yeah? Look at it. The segment they are given what? Minor segment is there and major segment is there. A minor segment, a major segment, and they are given minor arc and major arc and minor arc. Another word is there, sector, but they didn't say this is minor or major. They didn't say minor or major. So you have to be careful. First, you have to understand whether we have the segment or sector or arc or whatever. First, you have to just realize what is this segment or sector or arc or whatever. You just realize. After finish that one, then decide it's a big one or the small one. Right. First question. What they mark here? What is this? What is this line? Line is what? Here the 2 points on the circumference join with a straight line. I mean, every time how I explain you, just look at that one and it's easy for you. Are the 2 points on the circumference when we join with a straight line, we call it what? Tell. What is the name of that one? It's chord. We can say a chord. So the A letter is what? Tell.
Chord.
A chord. What about the B? B. This line we call it's what? Circumference. No, this is circumference. But in this question, they didn't mark everything. They mark only part of the circumference. I said the circumference, the arc. When I cut it, we call it what?
Major arc.
Major arc.
Arc, but it's a bigger one. So we can say it's what? Which arc?
Major arc.
Major arc. What's the name of that one? Major arc.
arc.
Then you can see the third one, there is an angle. There is an angle. That angle is between two radii.
Central
And
angle.
it's with whom? It's with center. So what is the name of that?
Central angle.
Central angle.
What is the letter? Letter C. Do
Central
you have the word? Central angle? Yes. What is the name of that one?
So at the end.
C. I'll name that one as what? Central angle. At the end, yes.
Central angle.
Central angle. Central angle. Right, fine. Next one. The fourth one, D, you can understand, they just mark with the letter D the colored part. That means this part they mark. So here you can understand this is the part. And they colored it. No, this one is colored. This part, it's very clear. This is bounded with what? Bounded with
Chord and
chord and arc. So what is the name of this? What's the name of this? Chord
major
and arc.
segment.
Chord and arc.
Major
Chord and
segment.
arc. Segment. But this arc is a bigger one. So we can say what?
Major arc.
Major arc. Very
Major
nice,
segment.
Major arc mean what's the name of that one? Major
Major segment.
segment. Major segment here because we have major arc. So we can say this is major segment. What about this? Again, they given a colored part. They given a colored part. Right? But this one is bounded with two radii and arc. Two radii and arc. What is the name of this?
Sector.
It's sector. What's the name of this? It's sector. But you know that one, this is bigger arc. It's a bigger arc. So it's major arc. So the sector is which
Major
sector?
sector.
Major sector, but you don't
Major
have a
sector.
word major sector. You don't have a word major
Sir,
sector. Am I right? Huh?
Yeah.
We don't. We studied okay, but what they given we can feel only that one. They said, but from the given term, select and write the most suitable term for each of the regions indicated by an English letter. Suitable one, select from that words what they given. So you can't write it, but you like. We studied, we know that is not suit. So what's right? It's tell.
Sector.
It's a sector. Okay, that means everywhere given a major segment, a major minor, major segment, and even a major arc. This is a central angle. Word is there. Next one. Here you see again the circumference. Again the circumference, they cut it and take the part of the circumference, but that one we
A
call
minor
arc. It's a arc, but
Minor
small one. So we call F is what? Tell. Minor arc. Is it clear? Can you understand? Fine. Next one. The part of a circle which is bounded with the tell, chord and an arc. What we call if it's bounded with
Segment.
chord and arc? It's segment, but this one is small.
A minor segment.
A minor segment. What's the name?
A minor segment.
A minor segment. Good. Next. The eighth one.
A radius.
What is the name of this one? H. The point center to the circumference. What is the name of this distance?
A radius.
A radius. That means distance between what and what while we use the compass. While we use the compass, distance between what and what? Tell. Distance between compass point and the pencil point. We call it what? L. Radius.
Radius.
When you know that one, the chord we have, the 2 points when we join with a straight line, we call that is chord. But one time while we drawn a chord, it passing through the center. At that time, we can get the biggest
diameter.
chord. We have a special name. What is that? Tell me. K. We call it what?
A diameter.
Diameter.
A diameter. A
Diameter.
meter. A diameter. Understood? Is it clear? Can you understand? Yes or no? Tell. Right. So you see, if you studied
Yes.
like this kind of thing, then it's very clear you can understand those things. Fine. Finished. Next, I'll come to the next question. What we have here, fill in the blanks A straight line segment which joins the center of a circle to any point on the circle is called a. Now you should do this one. A straight line segment. Line segment, not the part of a circle we call segment, line segment. A straight line segment which joins the center of a circle to any point on the circle. That means here
Radius.
you have a circle. Yes, here you have a circle. From center start it. Any point on the circumference, any point. Here I'll mark it. These two, if I join, what is the name of that line segment?
Radius.
We call that is still radius of the circle. Understood? Today I forgot to tell something. Did you remember? Here I said in class, physical class I said, but again I'm saying like here, look at this one. Here you have a circle. Understood? From center to here I'll join it. Can you tell what is the name of this?
Radius.
Radius. Okay, good. From center to here I'll join it. What is the name of this line?
Radius.
Radius. From center to circle, this line,
Radius.
here to here,
Radius.
here. From center, if I join it any point on the circumference, these we call what? Radii of the circle. Radii of the circle, plural. Huh? But from here to here, I join it correct. The same line I continue it. So I'm asking from you a question. Answer my question. Don't jump. Here to here, what we call?
Radius.
Radius. Here to here, what we call?
Radius.
Radius. That means how many radii you have?
2.
So what is the name of this big line, the biggest line which is passing through the center? What we call?
Diameter.
The diameter is equal to 2 radii. Diameter is equal to 2 radii. Then the radius is equal to tell. The radius is equal to diameter is equal to 2 radii mean radius is equal to
1.
1. Very nice, huh?
The
Father's
line
age
which
is
is
twice of
connected
your
to
age.
the
And
center
your age
to
is what?
the
Sorry? Huh? No, I am asking relationship between the diameter and the radius. This is grade 6 work. The diameter is twice the radius. Then the radius is what?
radius.
Very good. Radius is radius. Very nice answer.
Half.
Very good.
diameter?
Wait. Look at this one. Now answer for this question. This is 10 centimeter. What is the diameter?
20 centimeter.
That one
20
you know.
centimeter.
What you did tell? What you did tell? If I
Double.
ask from you diameter, what you did?
Double.
10 centimeter, you double it. So what is the answer? 20
20.
centimeter. That means diameter needed mean the radius you should multiply by 2. So because of that we call twice the radius. Diameter is twice the radius. Radius should multiply by 2. So use the same knowledge but think and answer, right? If I have a circle, if the diameter is 30 centimeter, what is the radius?
15 centimeter.
Why 15? Why 15?
Half of the diameter.
Now you can use the knowledge. No, that means you have knowledge. Why you are not using? So like this kind of a, no one come to the exam paper and help you, right? This is 30 mean. What is the radius? 15. Now try to understand. No one explaining. You only have to understand. So when the diameter asking what you should do it, radius you should double it, multiply it. If they ask radius is equal to what? How you got this one as 15? I said 30. You said radius is 15. What you did? What you
Divide
did?
by 2.
Divide by what?
2.
Divide by 10. Or divide by 100. Divide by what?
2.
2. Divide by 2 mean we call, for example, you think there is a chocolate. I divide it to 2 parts. If I divide it to 2 parts, equal 2 parts mean one part we call what?
Half.
Half.
Half. So how to tell that one? Radius is tell half
Half.
of the
Half of a
diameter.
diameter.
Radius is tell half of the
Half of the
diameter.
diameter.
Diameter should divide by 2. Look at this. Wait, give me a second. I erase it. Look at this one. Now the relationship you should write it like this kind of way. The diameter is equal to twice the radius. The radius is equal to half of the diameter. Now someone when I asked what is the radius mean, they said 1 diameter. Radius is equal to 1 diameter. 2 radius is equal to 1 diameter. So the radius is equal to what means? Someone said 1 diameter. Diameter. Another one said radius mean radius. Yes, I know radius mean radius. I asked what is the relationship between the diameter and the radius. What is the relationship between the diameter and radius? The radius is what? Tell. Half of the
diameter.
Can you understand? Is it clear? Write down this one. Write it in somewhere. Write down and
Yes.
keep it. Write in a paper and paste it in front of you. That means somewhere where you have. Right, space in your study table, close to the study table or wherever. Right, okay, fine. Now look at the next one. Now that is the relationship we need. Help me. Now I am asking some more. I'll explain and then I'll move to the wait. I'll move to the question after this. I'll come to the this one. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to tell another special thing about the circle, right? Which I didn't tell in class. I said, which I didn't tell. Here I have a circle. So here we have center. I'll draw a line like this kind of way. If I draw a line, can you tell me what is the name of this part? This part, this
Minor
part. Minor?
arc.
Minor?
Segment.
No, not this part. I'm asking this line, curve line.
Minor arc.
Minor arc. What is that? Minor?
Arc.
Minor
What
arc.
you said? Why you jump again? Minor arc. Fine. Now tell me, what about this one? This line. Curve line.
Major
What is
arc.
the name?
Major arc.
Major. Okay, very good. So what is the name of this line? This line?
Chord.
Chord. If
Chord.
I drawn a chord, you can understand the circle, the circumference of the circle, it's cut to 2 parts. One is a smaller part, the bigger part, smaller one, minor arc, bigger one, major arc. But when I have a circle, if I drawn the chord, but if that chord is the diameter, nice work happened to this line. What is the name of this curved line?
Semicircle.
No, curved line.
Equality arc.
Curved line. What is the name of the
Arc.
curved line? Tell.
Arc.
That's
Equal
all. More
arc.
than that, don't worry that try to do anything else. Semicircle. I know that is equal. I didn't ask. I asked what is the name of the line? This line name is arc. Good. Now what about this line name?
Arc.
It's also arc. If one is smaller, we can say minor.
Arc.
If one is bigger, we can say it's major. Here, this is not small and this is not bigger. So we can say it's what? These two are just arcs. Just arcs.
Arc.
At this time, one special work is happening. The circle going to be divided to how many parts? Two parts. So here also 2 parts. Yes, but in this time, both parts are
Equal.
equal. So we call half of the circle. Half of the circle
Semicircle.
we have a special name. What is the name of that
Semicircle.
one? Semicircle. What is the name?
Semicircle.
Semicircle.
Semicircle. But you know that one. Diameter mean we have another name for this line.
Chord.
It's a
Chord.
chord, longest chord. And
Chord.
the arc. The
Arc.
semicircle mean the part of the circle bounded with the chord, and a arc mean we call that is
Segment.
segment. Segment rule is satisfied. No, segment, because chord is there and arc is there, so it's segment. Okay, wait. Here you
Sector.
have the diameter, no? Diameter mean how many radii?
2 radii, 1 arc.
2 radii and a arc. Diameter mean 2 radii and 1 arc. Diameter mean 2 radii. Yes, what is diameter? 2 radii. And this part of the circle bounded with 2 radii and arc. What is the name of this one? According to
Sector.
that,
Sector.
it's a sector. So very nice. For semicircle, if anyone asks from you, give another name, mean you can say it's a segment. You can say as well as it's a sector.
Sector.
Understood? Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes or no? Fine, good. Now, I'll just move to the lesson, but we have the exercises, right? Look at it. Right? Fine. Now, when you are studying everything one by one, don't forget it. In order, I just thought you don't forget that. Right, okay, look at this one. What is this? The longest chord of the finished. We did it. The longest chord of the circle is called a longest chord. Diameter. What's the name?
Diameter.
If the diameter is 200 millimeter, then its radius. Diameter is 200.
10
Diameter is
centimeter.
200 millimeter. Mean radius 100 millimeter.
10
How much?
centimeter.
100 millimeter. But here can't write 100. If anyone write 100, wrong. Because the question, that means the blank they completed with which unit? Centimeter. Now, if this one is 200 millimeter, the radius is 100 millimeter, correct? But we should write down in what? Tell. Write in centimeter. Mean we know 10 millimeter
10
equal to 1 centimeter. Then 100 millimeters equal to
10 centimeter.
10 centimeter.
10
So what should come in this blank? Not 100, 10 should come. Is that clear? Can you understand? Fine. Next,
Yes.
question number 4. What is the question number 4? Read it. A region of a circle bounded with a chord and arc. You see how I taught you that same the questions are there, right? A region of a circle, part of a circle, bounded by a chord and arc is called chord and arc.
Segment.
Chord and arc. What is the name of this part?
Segment.
Region. What is the name? It's a segment. Didn't ask a smaller part, bigger part. You should write only segment. Don't write minor, major. Segment. Understood? A region of a circle bounded by 2 radii and arc. 2 radii and an arc is
Sector.
called a sector. Understood? Is that clear? Finished, huh? So no need to take more time. We'll just finish it. Next one. Name the segment in this figure. Name the segments. Segments. Segments mean what? Plural. No? That means 2 needed or more than 1 needed. Usually we have 2. Tell me. I'll just, what is that you see this one and ask. What is the name of this part? Let us tell. Let us.
Minor segment.
No. Let us say minor
PQR.
segment. PQR. What is the name of this one? PQR. So I can name one segment name is PQR. What about the other segment? Other segment. The other segment. What is the name? Letters.
PSR.
PSR. So what is the name of this one? PSR. Can you tell me what is the name of PQR? It's a smaller one or bigger one?
Minor
Huh?
segment.
Minor segment. What is that? Minor segment. What about the other one name? Big one.
Major segment.
Major segment. What is the name? Major segment. Good. Next one. Shade the minor segment of the circle. Color the minor segment. Color. Color the minor segment. I'll color with green color. Minor segment means this PQR. No? That's all. Understood? Is that clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next one. Question number 4.
4.
Draw a circle of the radius 3.5 centimeter. Okay. I'll do it. Draw a circle with what? 3.5
3.5
centimeter.
centimeter.
After that, what they said?
Name
Draw
it.
chord AB through O. What can you
So
say
name the
about
centimeter O.
Huh?
Name the
Sorry?
centimeter O. Center O.
You have to draw a circle. Wait. You have to draw a circle and what?
Name the
Draw,
center
construct
O.
using compass. Wait, I'll tell you. Circle, and you have to mark the center as O. Then what to do? Then you should draw chord. Chord mean 2 points you should join it, but just
Draw
can't join
chord
it.
AB
Passing
to
through the O. Passing through the O mean like this kind of you should draw it, no? And this should be A and this should be B. And can you tell me what can you say about
diameter.
the two segments? No. What you can tell about two? First answer. Listen the question what they say. What you can tell about the segment? They didn't ask what is the name of this AB line. They asked what is the name of the segment. What you can say about this segment? This segment and this segment is what?
Segment.
Segment and segment.
Equal.
Very good. What is you should tell what you can say. I can say that is segment because they asked what you can say about the segment. You are saying the segment is segment. No. What you can tell about them? Both
Equal.
segments are
Equal.
You should tell what? Segments are tell. Segments are tell. Equal. Next one they ask, what is the suitable name of the above two segments? For these two segments, what is the suitable name? Can you tell me what is the name of one part of this? What we can say for this part?
Semicircle.
These are segments, correct. Even we can say sectors also, but we have a special name. What is a special name? Semicircles. Semicircles. Don't put circles. Circles, this is what two parts are there. Semicircles. Understood? Is it clear? But what we should do it, we have to just construct it. No? We have to construct it. No? So I'm just constructing 3.5 centimeter. The radius. 3.5 centimeter radius mean how to draw it. What we should do till should take the compass.
Take
and
the
we
compass.
have to and ruler tell. And
take the ruler and measure 3.5 centimeter.
You have to measure 3.5. I'll just use, you have to use the ruler. I don't want to use it. 3.5. 3.5 mean here. Correct? That's 3.4.
Yes.
3.5. Correct.
Okay.
3.5. What to do? Should draw
Draw circle.
And this point we call it which point? Till
Center O.
that point we call it center O. What's the name? Center O. Then they said draw a line which is passing through the center. Draw a straight line segment which is passing through the center. Which is passing through the center. If I drawn that one has A and B, and they ask from you, what you can say about the segments. This is
The
half of the
segments are
circle.
equal.
This is half of the circle. So we can say these two segments are equal. What is the special name that you can give for these? What is that the segment?
Semicircle.
We can say semicircles. Understood? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Can do, no? Can do. Next,
Yes, sir.
we'll move to this part. What is that, Adel? So, what is the name given to the shaded part of the circle? What is the name of the shaded part?
XOY.
XOY. XOY. Shaded part. XOY what? XOY, correct. XOY, and tell the name of that one. So the first one answer is what? XOY. XOY is correct. XOY. And we call that is what?
Minor
It's
sector.
sect.
Minor
Again
sector.
saying minor sector. Minor major in a sector. What is that? Sector. Don't tell minor major. If they ask it's a minor or major, you can tell. Write down its boundaries. Our boundaries mean where to where? Here to here. It's one boundary. This is a partner. So this is one boundary. What is the one boundary? One side. It's what?
OX.
X. OX is one boundary. Other side.
OY.
OY. And this side.
YX.
X, YX or XY. Tell me again the boundaries. OX, OY, both are radii. XY is what? Arc.
Arc.
According to your one, you said minor arc. Even correct, no problem, right? Correct. But they didn't ask, no, you can say just arc. What is the name? What is the name given to the XOY? What is the name given to the XOY? XOY means this part, X, O, Y, they put a cap here. That means they're asking something about angle. Which angle? Tell.
Central angle.
Central angle. What is the angle name? Central angle. Understood? In this one, when you answer it, it's better to answer like this kind of. Look at it. When you answer for this one, here the second question you can answer it. Boundaries you can answer. XO boundary, OY boundary, and what? OX boundary, OY boundary, and what? XY boundary. So you can say this is XO is radius. What is that? Radius. OY is also what? Radius. XY is what?
Radius.
Understood? Next question. Draw a circle with the center O. Mark 2 points M and N on the circle such that the minor arc and major arc are obtained. Shade the sector with central angle equal to the reflex angle MON. Okay, fine. Now what we should do it? We have to construct a circle. You have to draw a circle and mark the center as O. And mark the center as what? O. And also they said, I'll just draw it here. I'll draw a circle. Okay, fine. Same. I just draw a circle. Any length. And don't ask again. Need to take 3.5. And mark the point what? Sorry.
Center
And mark the point what? Tell. Mark the
Center
point.
O.
Center O. I'll mark it center O. Okay, good. Next. Mark down
Draw
M and N.
diameter
What?
AB.
Mark 2 point M and N.
Mark 2 points M and N mean they said you have to mark it. When you mark that one, you should get what? Minor segment and
Major segment.
major segment. That means like this kind of. Don't mark what is that when you are joining this line. If it's going like this kind of way, what will happen? It's a diameter. At that time you have a problem. So you have to draw the chord like this kind of way. One side of the center. Don't worry the moving through the center. Then it's become equal, yeah. In two parts. So you should name this one as M and N. Correct, no? M and N. And what they asked from you? Tell.
Mark a point. No. Shade
Read the
the
question.
sector with the center angle.
Huh? Wait. What they said?
Shade the sector
Draw
with
a circle with the center O. Mark 2 points M and N on the circle such that the minor arc, not the chord. There's minor arc and major arc obtained. Shade the sector with the central angle equal to the reflex angle. Not like this. They asked from us how to do it. They didn't ask from us to join this one. They said draw the M and N. Okay, fine. M and N. I'll draw it. M and N mark. This is M and this one is
In
M, this is N. Okay, fine. That means one should be minor, other one should be major. And they asked us to join what and what? OM and ON. Now they said color the sector, but it should be the central angle should be a reflex angle. Then I have two central angle. One is this. I'll put one. One is this. I'll put two. Which part should color? Central angle reflex mean the number 1 or number 2? Number 1 or number 2? Tell.
2.
Number 2. That means this part should color, no? Correct?
Yes.
This part should color. So we call it what? This is the answer. Don't put 1 and 2. Just put 1, 2, don't put it. So don't do that one. You just colored it. So reflex angle is there, that part colored. Understood? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Next one. Question number
7.
what?
Draw a
Question number
circle
7.
with center O. Draw
Draw
diameter
diameter AB, mark a point
Mark
X
the
on the
point X
circle
on the
distinct from A
circle
and B.
distinct from A and B. Shade
Shade
the
the
sector
sector AXB. Measure and
Measure
write
and
down the
write down the
magnitude of
magnitude of the center angle of the sector. A.
the AXB. Right, okay, fine. First, what to do? Tell. Draw
Draw a circle
read the question. Draw a circle with
center O.
center O. Draw a circle with center O. I'll draw it. Draw a circle with center O. It's too big. It's enough. Start from here. Draw a circle. Then center what?
O.
Center O. Give me a second. Right before taking
Center O.
Center O. Then center O. Then
Draw diameter AB.
diameter AB mean definitely that line should pass in through what? Tell.
The center point.
Center point. Center O. It's passing through center O. I can name this one as A and what?
A and B.
And next.
Mark a point X on the circle distinct from A and B.
Mark a point X on the circle distinct. That means don't mark on A and B. Mark any other point as X. I'll mark it here. This is the X. Tell next.
Shade the sector AXB.
Shade the sector AXB. I'll shade it. This one. Sector shade it. Next. Tell.
Measure and write down the magnitude of the central angle of the sector AXB.
AXB. I'll use different color. I'll use white color. Can you tell me here? This is the center. No? This angle. What is the angle? AOB is a straight line. So what is the angle? What is the angle? AOB, a straight line. So 180. They ask you to measure it. If you want, you can take the protector and what you can do it, you can measure it. You can measure this one. If you are measuring, here the 90. You are measuring this one here like this kind of way. What is the angle? Tell. 0,
Straight angle.
0,
180 degree.
up to here mean 180 degrees. Understood?
Yes.
Is it clear? Correct? 180 degrees. Finished. Next question.
8.
Question number 8 or 7.
8. Now we
Question number
did
8.
7.
Last question. Draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Name its center O. Mark a point P on the circle and join OP. Using the protractor, draw the sector POQ such that POQ 60. Draw the sector QOR such that the QOR is 150. Name the remaining sector and write the magnitude of the central angle. Okay, good. What they said first, draw a circle 5 centimeter, no? Correct?
Yes.
Draw a circle 5 centimeter. How to draw a circle 5 centimeter? I'll take the compass and measure how long? 5 centimeter with using the ruler. Then you have to draw what? Tell.
Center O. Circle. Center
Circle. And name the center as what?
O.
Center O. I'll take the compass here. So the center is what? Tell. O. After
Center
that,
O. Make
After
a
that?
point. Make a point O on the circle
any
and
point you
join
can
OP.
mark down as what? Tell.
Make a point O on the circle and join OP.
Give me a second. Make a point X
P.
P on circumference, no? On the circumference, you have to put it on the circle, right? Okay, I'll mark down where P. Use it yellow color. I'll mark P. And if I mark P, they say join what?
And joined OP.
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 Join OP. Using a straight line, join OP. This is O. This is O. This is P. OP. Next.
Using the protector, draw the sector POQ such that POQ equals 60 degrees.
Right? Find what?
POQ 60 degrees.
POQ 60 degrees. POQ, POO, right. O is there, 0, here the midpoint, and this is what? O. Then I need 60. 60 mean we are here, no? Correct? 60 mean in this place, am I right?
Yes.
This place, no?
Yes.
So what I should do it, I have to use the ruler and I'll join it. I'll join that 2
Join.
points. What point? L. Center O and
Q.
L. Center O and
Center O and circumference Q.
up to here, but you have to just stop it here now, so I'll join it. After that, you can use the erase and erase it. When you erase this part, up to here it comes. What is the name of this one, Del?
Q.
Q. And the angle is
60
60.
degrees.
Then again, they said QOR.
Yeah. Draw the sector
QOR.
QOR such that QOR equals 150
QOR,
degrees.
where QOR, this is O. Now I have to go to the Q because R is not there now. Q.
150 degrees.
Clear? You understand?
Yeah. 150
Now what I
degrees.
should do it? Tell. Now
150 degrees.
150 degrees you have to measure. Shall we start and measure it? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 150, 150 here. Correct?
Yes.
150.
50.
This part is 150. So if I mark here with what? Yellow color. I'll mark it here. The yellow color. If I mark, when I join these 2 points, it gives us what? Tell.
QOR 150
It
degrees.
gives us how much? Tell.
150 degrees.
150 degrees. If you
Arc.
mark down this one as what is the name? Give R. R, it's 150. Can you tell me how much is this? It's also
150 degrees.
150. Reason, angle around the point is 360.
60 degrees.
The thing is what? We have to measure. Because they said to measure, no? I'll measure it. Yeah, I'll keep it. And I'll take the protector, rotate. I'll keep it on this R. Fine. We'll take it. Let's go here. Fine. Then the right. You see, it goes to where? 100.
50.
Here from here, it goes here to here. It's 150. Correct? So what's the name of this one? Angle RPOR. What is the name of this one?
POR.
POR is equal to 150.
150 degrees.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Understood? That exercise is over. Right. Next. What is next?
23.1.
Previous exercise, right? I didn't do that one. I'll now explain it. You can do it. What is 23.1? We have only few questions. I think only 4 questions. 5 questions, right? First one. Draw a circle with radius 3 centimeter. Can do or can't do it?
Can do.
Name its center as O. Can or can't?
Can.
Draw a diameter of this circle and name it PQ. Can or can't?
Can.
Measure the length of the diameter. Can you keep the rule and measure or can't? Without measure, tell what is the answer. Without measure, tell what is the answer. We didn't draw, no? Tell. Radius 3.
7.
Can't waste.
7 centimeter.
Very good. Very good. Huh? Radius 3. Abu Bakr, I don't know what you are doing, Abu Bakr.
So radius 3.5.
Where 3.5? Are you just sleeping? Are you sleeping? Others, open your mouth. He's sleeping, I think.
6 centimeters.
6 centimeter. I'm just reading the first question. You jump to the second question. What you are doing? Then they ask your name in, you are writing something else. Huh? Answer the question. Here, look at the question. 3 centimeter. Now you are saying 3.5. 3.5 is next question. What is the next question? Huh? Draw a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. Mark a point A on the circle. Can or can't?
Can.
Can. Draw several chords. This one is very important. Huh? 3.5 centimeter. Look at this one. 3.5 centimeter. Look at this. 3.5 centimeter circle. 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 correct. I'll draw what? Tell.
Circle.
Circle. And central mark as.
O.
Oh, they said no, no. They said oh. Tell yes or no? Don't know. They said oh, no, they didn't tell I think. They said mark a point on the circumference as A. I think that's the question. Others, please help me because it's Abu Bakr reading something else. Draw a circle of the radius 3.5 centimeter. Mark a point A on the circle. Draw several chords are starting with A. And they didn't ask O. For you, O is there. I don't know. Huh? Tell.
No, sir, there's
Just say
nothing.
read the question. Nothing. Then why you said A? O is not the A. They asked you to mark down several chords. I'll draw several chords. Starting from where? Tell. From A. And draw a chord. Yes, no?
Yes.
I'll draw another chord. I'll draw another chord. I'll draw another chord. I'll draw another one. I'll draw another one. I'll draw another one with a different color. Can you tell me why? You don't different color. You use the same pencil. You use the same pencil. Which is passing through the
Center.
Which is passing through the
Center.
Center point.
center. If I draw like this kind of a chord, you know this is special one for us. That is the
Largest chord. The diameter.
Largest chord. You know, if I use the rule and measure, what will happen? How much it comes? Before measuring, tell.
1 centimeter.
Now it's 7 centimeter it comes. If I measured it, it comes how long? Tell.
7 centimeter.
7
Centimeter.
centimeter. 7 centimeter. Correct, no? 7 centimeter. Understood? Yes or no? Yes or no? Allah. Next, Adil.
Yes.
What is next? Draw any circle and mark the point A,
and
B,
mark
C,
the
D
point
on it.
A, B, C, and
Draw the
D.
chord AC. Name the two arcs separate by the chord AC. Draw a circle for side. Okay, I'll just finish it. Okay. What is A, B, C, D? Help me. Soon. All the questions I explained. What you should do, it should do these things, right? Tell me. Draw any circle. Help me.
Draw
Draw
any
any
circle
circle.
and mark the point A, B, C, D on it.
Try again. Draw any circle.
Draw
Any
any
circle. Any
circle
circle.
and
Any
mark the
circle.
point A, B, C on and D on it.
Mark any 4 points A, B, C, D. I'll mark it. Here A. This is B. This is C. Oh, C, 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 C. This is C. This is D. They ask us to join what and what? Read it properly. Join. Join.
Not A,
A and
C.
careful. If it goes from here, mean it's a special one. I just drawn it. If I drawn it, you can understand two parts are there. What is the name of this part? What is the name of this
Major
part?
segment.
Letters.
Major
First
segment.
letters. First letters.
A, B, C.
A, B, C. What is the other one?
A, B, C.
A, D, C. What is A, B, C?
Major segment.
Sorry, A, B, C is the biggest one.
Major
A, B, C is the biggest one. It's a major segment. Sorry, major segment. Major
segment.
segment. ADC. Minor segment. Next, what they ask? Tell.
Name the
Next, what they
two
ask?
arcs chord AC.
Draw the chord AC. Draw the chord AC. Name the two arcs separated by the chord AC. What are the two arcs? They didn't ask the part of the circle. They asked what are the two arcs? One is ADC, other one is correct. Answer is correct. The thing is what one is ABC, one is ABC arc, other one is ADC arc. ABC arc is which arc? Sorry, this one is major, no? ABC is what? Major arc. ADC is what?
Major arc.
Minor arc. Correct?
Yes.
That's all. Draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Can do, no? Draw a chord such that the two equal. Now they said equal arc should come. Equal arc should come in. We should name what? We should draw
Diameter.
4 centimeter. We have to draw the diameter. I should name this one as AB, no? They should name this one as AB. What is the name of this AB? Special name. Name it AB.
Diameter.
Diameter. What is the name suitable to the chord AB? It's diameter. Now name this one as AB. What is the name of this one is diameter. Can do, no?
Diameter.
Next
Yes,
one.
sir.
Last question. Need? No need, I think. Draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Can or can't?
Can.
Earlier one also, last question is 5 centimeter. Okay, 5 centimeter circle. Draw it. Next.
Center
You
O.
give the compass and draw. Next. Tell.
Center O.
Sorry? Center
Center
O.
O.
Center O. Okay, correct. Draw a chord with the 6 centimeter length and name it. Chord 6 centimeter. How to draw 6 centimeter chord? Should do. I think this one
By
should do.
the ruler.
No. By the ruler is wrong. They have to use the compass. We'll see. First they said what? Draw a circle with what? Draw a circle with
5 centimeter.
5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and name what? Center,
Center O.
center O. Center O. Fine. Next they said what?
A chord
Next they said
6
what?
centimeter.
Chord 6 centimeter means first keep the rule and with using the compass measure how much? Tell.
6
6
centimeter.
centimeter should measure it. That means from here to you have to take this one up to where? Tell.
6 centimeter.
6 from your compass. Your compass can't do this work. No, you have to measure up to 6. Up to
6.
6. Understood?
So they say draw a chord.
Then what to do? You have to keep on here and draw a arc. And again what to do? Keep the compass point in this place and draw a tell another arc here. If I draw it, can you tell me how much is this?
6 centimeter.
6 centimeter. Now I have to keep my ruler and join these two points. If I join it, how long is that? Tell.
6 centimeter and name it AB.
Next. Name it AB. Next.
Measure and
Fast. Next.
name the midpoint of AB as P and join OP.
That means you have to measure midpoint of this mean how long should take? 3, no?
Yes.
Correct, no? You should take how?
3
3, no?
Yeah.
Again keep the compass point on A, and what you should do is you need to draw arc here. If I draw an arc here, that one comes in middle. Correct?
Yes, sir.
With 3 I took it and drawn it. Understood? Now this one mark as, they said mark as what? P, no? Correct? P. Yes or no? Please answer. AB as P and join. Name it the midpoint of AB as P and join OP. Join OP. Join OP. Tell OP join. OP mean where to where? Center to P. OP join. And what they ask next? Tell. What they ask next? You are not answering, huh? O and P join. And they ask from us, measure and write down the magnitude of APO. It's 90 degrees. BPO. APO and BPO 90 degrees. I'll show you. APO. Tell. APO, measure and write down. APO, protector, protractor. This is protector. APO mean you have to keep the protector on here. Here. Yeah. Tell.
90 degrees.
90 degrees. If you tone it properly, definitely it comes how much? 90?
90 degrees.
90 degrees. So 90 degrees mean I can write down what is APO. APO, tell.
90
90 degrees. And BPO.
BPO 90.
Understood? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
The lesson is over. Right? The lesson is over.
Oh,
That is the circle lesson, the whole exercise. I hope that you understood. Yes, no? Right?
Yes,
Grade 8
sir.
circle lesson, the whole part is there. So complete these things. Complete, practice it again and again, do it. If not, you can't understand, right? That's all. So I'll end the session. We took it little longer, but finish the work. No? Fine. Assalamualaikum. Just I'll end the session. Okay. Good night.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Good night. Waalaikumsalam.
Salam.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Waalaikumsalam.